reps, and often we end up doing our reps too fast and not actually understanding how to target the muscle that we're using to place tension on them. So basically, it just gives you an understanding that we use tempo throughout the whole different types of exercise, whether that's a shoulder press, a push-up, a row, a squat, a lunge, they all apply to tempo. So an example would be what you see most commonly is people just squatting very fast. While it is applicable to sort of a hip-based workout, something that's going to be high intensity and high reps, the main focus is we need to understand how to target and place tension on the muscle to help it change, adapt, and grow grow as best as possible. So we're going to use the analogy of a bicep curl, and what we're going to be doing is talking about how fast and slow and how you can interpret your tempo. So we'll take the barbell for instance, and we understand that if you on your program, it might say 4, 0, X, 0. So what that means is essentially you're going to be bringing it up nice and quick, and that would be X. You would then briefly, the 0 would be briefly stopping, but then the 4 seconds is the control 2, 3, 4, and you will repeat 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, you will repeat that through the reps that is desired. So it could be like 10 reps, it could be 12, it could be 6. And what you've got to understand is tempo will change with different exercises. So on a squat, for instance, I may ask you to do 5 seconds on the way down. And the longer pauses mainly apply to the eccentric phase. So that's the negative. So the positive and the negative. Same with the squat. The negative is down 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that was tempo based on your exercise. 5 seconds, 0, explode. X means explode, and 0. So you bet. So when we're up the top, 0. So we've got to go straight back at your exercise instead of pausing and resting. So hopefully that was a good brief example on tempo. What I want you to do now is really understand about how your body's moving. So an example would be, it's just like this block. I want you to be in control of your body. So you wouldn't just let your body drop like this. You want to be able to control your body of the exercise and be able to perform it under control. So that's a good way to really get you to understand a bit more about how you can place tension on the muscle but still be in control. So we don't want to just let our body drop or bicep curl and let it drop as fast as possible. We want to try and make sure it's under control. If you have any questions on tempo or anything that I've explained, please feel free to drop me a DM at any time.